G'day team, welcome back to Heiman Habitat. Now, underneath the Christmas tree this year was a little bottle of a product called Rain X. I've never used it before, but it's a water repellent for your windscreen. Now check this out. Look at all the beads of water. It's raining outside, fair dinkum, and I'm not using the windscreen wipers, it's just blowing straight off. What a brilliant product. Well, anyway, we're on the road. We'll catch up as we go. But just wanted to let you know about this one. This is Heiman Habitat. I'm Scotty Heiman, and that's my kind of thinking.